Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. First, what you need to do is to install the Docker and Docker Compose on your server. You can do this by the following commands. When we have everything installed for installation our tool, we can proceed to the next step. Next step is to installing Helpy. First, download it via a repository link on GitHub. Next, we can build a Docker image for Helpy using the following command. After this step, we can start the Docker container. It will take some time. Probably you will need to wait 5 minutes before your Helpy will start. Here you need to create your administrator account, provide your email, name and other information. Here you need to customize your Helpdesk. You can provide your site URL, site name and other information. The next step is to configure email. You can now use the newly installed tool Helpy for your business. You have installed Helpy customer support helpdesk on your system. If you have any question, leave them in comments.